Welcome to Edsembli Finance, a powerful, easy-to-use, and secure platform designed specifically for education's needs. This is part 2 of a 4-part series focused on the purchasing process. In our last video, we learned how to create a requisition for approval. Today, we are going to look at the second step of the purchase process, creating a purchase order. Authorized buyers will navigate to the Buyer's In basket to create a purchase order from an approved requisition. It's as simple as choosing the Create Purchase Order option. You have additional options too. You can send the requisition to another buyer or approver, or send it back to the originator for more information. The power of our Enter Data Once approach and digital workflow is that you will never need to do any duplicate data entry or save any paper files. With this option, the purchase order is now populated from the requisition created in Step 1. No duplicate data entry is required. Any attached documentation is available at the click of a button, and I can upload additional files too. Once the PO is saved, it is automatically created and moved along the workflow by sending it to the vendor for fulfillment. The PO will be sent by their preferred method, either email, fax, or printed for mailing. The purchase orders can be created individually or as a batch process through our Group Actions option. If a requisition was not used, you can create a purchase order on the go. Simply click on Add PO, either detailed or summary, fill in the required information, and save to kick off the workflow. That's how easy it is to create a purchase order in Edsembli Fin. Watch part 3 of our series on purchasing to learn about the invoicing step. Remember, with Edsembli Fin, you can start your purchasing process at any step of the way while still maintaining internal controls and workflow. Contact Edsembli today to find out how we can improve your purchasing workflows for your school district.